Oh yeah, just getting a bath. Miramar Theater rebuild here in San Clemente. Looks nice so far. Cool little entranceway. It's been working on this for about 5 years. Huh, nice. I wish they would have kept the facade that was underneath that paint there. It was colorful, it was beautiful. I don't know why they didn't do that. And also the Miramar, at least say Miramar Theater instead of Miramar Event Center. Old school post office. Got to do the deeds of the day. Be right back there, Damon. Oh yeah. Old school, 1976 dedicated. Gerald F. Ford. Yeah. Ford. Oh boy. Look at this old school thing. Look at this. Oh boy. You walk in, you can smell it's old. Look at the tile. Oh yeah. USPS. All right, got me some propane in the Hornet. All squared away. Got the clean. The tires are shining. Get this thing underway and head north.
Where are you going?
Heading up to Oregon.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Go. Three Musketeers.
Say hi.
They're sleeping. Welcome to Smelly. This is what you get when you got to drive through from beautiful San Clemente to Oregon. You got to go through this. Going up the Grapevine, and the Hornet will start putting, probably 45 miles an hour. But thank God we're out of LA. That's the most important thing, and we're heading north. Got some things to do at the Homestead in Oregon. So let's enjoy the ride. Let's check out a couple of places on the way there. It's been a while since we headed north. And normally I'm going up the 101, not the 5, so a little bit different. Rolling and hit the road. All right, guys, I'm gonna pull over, get some gas. Down about a half a tank. We're at 5 north, and we just passed the Bakersfield 99. That's right, guys. That's because you can always tell when you're in California. So you can pay those taxes and you get nothing out of it. I see a bunch of trucks there, but I don't see any cars. God dang it. The drive was good. Going through Smelly was the only negative. A lot of traffic as usual. It's Friday morning, so we left early at 6:30. Not early enough. The Hornets average about 70 miles an hour. Pulled over here at a Pilot. Get some gas. Fill it up. Grab some lunch. I've been up at the Homestead up there at our acreage, so we're gonna get some landscaping to do. Got a bunch of other things we got to do. But we'll get up there, see what the weather's like. Not raining today, according to Grants Pass weather, but we'll see what happens when we get there. It's supposedly raining and windy, but we shall see. No, I'm not on a train. My limo driver is taking me to Oregon. That's right, and there's Lazy Bones right there. Same as usual, nothing doing. No help whatsoever. 5 north towards Sacramento. Going through Sacramento, look at the walls. Disgust. I mean, come on, guys, really? We can't tell liberals, Democrats, Republicans, it doesn't matter. Look at this trash in the walls. Look at what we're doing. We're sampling this. Come on. Robert F. Kennedy said, do not ask what your country can do for you, but ask what you can do for your country. All right, guys, we are in Williams, California, past Williams, Sacramento. Oh, I'm good thing. I haven't washed my face, just got up. Oh, mess we got up there. Place is getting full. That's right, and they got doggies everywhere. Look at the size of these things. I gotta take 4 of these a day. You guys know these? Tell me what you think about them. That's right, 4 a day. Okay, make sure everything's secure. Do all the secure the boat. All the hatches got to be secured. Doors are locked. I'm a pain in the ass because everything's got to be neat. I can't just get up and go anymore. It just drives me nuts. Coffee pot, everything's secured. Lights out. We stayed last night. I can't believe it. Actually, a California rest area. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but a California rest area that was open. It's actually one of the first ones that were open, so we jumped on it. We were going to stay at an RV park. It weighs a little bit, but they wanted like $50 a night. Guys, $50 a night. Can you believe this? $50 a night to stay at a freaking RV park. It's getting crazy. It used to be cheap up here. In Oregon, it's a lot cheaper. But it's like a basic RV park. This one's really nice, in really good condition. And it's nice because you got pullover. You have bathrooms are right there. Nice and quiet, except a couple of hoodlums that pulled over last night, started playing that rap music all night. You know, it always gets me because these places are really nice and clean, but the respect people have anymore. The kids, generations that they drive up in the car, 1 o'clock in the morning, music is blasting, right? So you got a rig like this behind you. Got a bunch of cars parked over there. So what do you think they're doing? They're sleeping, right? But these idiots will pull up, just blast the music in the middle of the night. I mean, I'm not trying not to be some old fart complaining, but isn't that respect? Don't we have any respect anymore? The generations that are fighting all the protest, all that crap, no respect. All right, enough of that politics. Let's get on the road. I got to get me. Oh yeah, just don't forget. Pause that, okay? And don't forget to subscribe. All right, let's get on the road. probably could have made it one day yesterday, but just pulled over when it got dark, relax. Now we're on the 5 north. Right before we get to Weed, I guess this is the next stop. Weed, California. That's right, guys. We're in Dunsmuir, California. $4.39 a gallon, guys. Can't beat that. Down here in Dunsmuir. Oh yeah, we got the rigatoni meatball dinner, March 14th. Oh yeah, only way to go. Hello, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm gonna put $100 on that motorhome out there.
Okay.
Okay?
Do you need a receipt?
No.
Okay.
Thank you. You're welcome. Madrid's Depot, Manfred's Depot. $100 worth of gas. This thing is a gas hog. I'm telling you right now. 100% gas hog. Are you cold, Stinky? Santiago, he the daddy, little boy. Huh? Yeah, you be smelly in the blankie, huh? Are you stinky? Are you stinky? Oh yeah, look at you all covered up. Uh-huh. Okay, boke. All right, stinky boy. Thanks for your help. Always helping. He's always helping out. But I feel so much relaxed. And it ain't about money. It's not about any of that good stuff. You know, you're in your motorhome, you're chilling out over here, cooling out, and you just feel so good. It just feels great. But you got to get out here. You got to do it. You got to hit the road. So I'm telling you right now, guys, be there or be square. Let's say Dunsmuir, population 1650. Just past the cemetery. If I'm not mistaken, there's the sheriff's place right there. There's Barney. And if you go down there, you get down to the river and the train tracks. I remember that. And there should be a big clock. Yep, this is it. Dunsmuir. It's the clock, and there's the theater. We've been here before. And if I'm not mistaken, there's a cool little train station down the hill. Yep, there it is. Oh, yeah. Love me some Dunsmuir. This is one of my favorite little towns. I love that train station down there. I was watching the guys change shift. They have the big locomotives that come up and down here, and this is one of the spots where they change trains. They drop the other guy off, and the new guy takes over. And them two guys waving at themselves in the Dunsmuir, California post office. Beautiful though. Change of weather, and you got to make sure your vehicle, especially if you're coming up northwest in this time of the year, that you're sealed properly everywhere. Tiny little, no matter where you're at, you got to seal it all around the vehicle. Extra. Downhill all the way. Oh yeah. Siskiyou Mountain Summit, 4,310 feet. Sharp curves and caution ahead. guys, we made it. 13 hours or whatever the heck. Rogue, City of the Rogue. Exit 48 on the 5. And I gotta pee. And test the bathroom out.